Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a ping pong game in Scratch. So first we're going to start by choosing a sprite. So for the perfect ping pong game, we need to choose a sprite that is a ball. So here we have the perfect sprite. I'm going to click on that. So first we need to work on this very sprite, the ball. You know, you have to start every program with the when green flag is clicked block. Then I'm going to add a forever loop to it. So in order to make the ball move, you have to go to motion and drag a move 10 steps block. So if you click on it, you can see that the ball is moving. So I'm going to press the green flag. But we have a problem here. You can see that when it reaches the edge, when the ball reaches the edge, it stops because it doesn't have any more space to go. So in order to make it bounce back like the game, we need to scroll down in motion and drag a if on edge bounce block. So when you click the green flag, it bounces back. Perfect. But right now it's going in a vertical motion, which is not what we want. We want it to go in a random motion. So we need to drag the point in direction block. So right now it's pointing at a 90-degree angle. We need to change it and let's say make it 45. Perfect. So we need to put this in here between the when green flag click and forever block. And here we go. Great. So now the ball is moving like we want it to. And now we need another sprite, which is going to be our pedal. There's actually a pedal sprite in here. I'm going to just click on that. And now, of course, we have to drag a when green flag click block, then go to control and add a forever block to this, then add a if block, and you can make this with a mouse. I'll upload that video later on. Right now, I'm going to make this game using the keyboard, so you can play with the keyboard. So right now I'm going to put when right arrow pressed, then go to motion and move 10 steps. So what I'm going to do is I can just manually drag everything again to make the same thing for the left button, but I'm going to just right click on it and duplicate this block. Here we go, and put it here, and I'm just going to change the right arrow to left arrow and move 10 steps to move minus 10 steps. There we go. So I'm going to drag this paddle over here. There we go. So now as you can see, I can do this with my arrow keys. So right now it looks a lot like a ping pong game, but what's not happening is that when the ball touches the paddle, it's not bouncing, it's going to the edge. So in order to fix that, we need to go to ball, then add another when green flag click block, go to the forever block, then go to motion and now we need to do control and add if this then block, then we're going to go to sensing if touching pedal. There we go. Then go to motion and add a turn block. It can turn anywhere you want. So right now I'm going to add 180 degrees. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so good. So right now it's going 180 degrees, which means it's completely turning itself. But we need a more random motion. So we're going to go to sensing. No, actually we're going to go to operators and drag a pick random 1 to 10. And we're going to change this to 170 to 190 degrees. So let's see how that works. Perfect. So I'm going to change that to 150 because I think it will be more better. So right now, when the ball is touching the edge, nothing bad is happening. So in order to make that happen, we need another sprite. But I'm just gonna paint a sprite here because there is no sprite like a line. I'm just gonna go to straight line. Let's make it the color red. There we go, perfect. And I'm just gonna drag a line over here. Maybe make it a bit longer. You can check out my previous video in order to see how to make your own sprite as I'm doing right here. It's not that hard really, but in my previous video I've explained it better in more details. So I'm going to drag this bar over here. There we go. Actually, the thing is so thin that my mouse pointer can't pick it up, and I'm working on a laptop, so that's even harder. Okay, here we go. So now you have this red line. So I went to the ball sprite, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag another one green flag clicked block, add a forever block, put a if this then block inside, then go to sensing and add a touching block. So we're gonna pick the sprite, which is this one, sprite one. We're gonna put sprite one here. Then we're gonna go to control and add a stop all block. So when this ball touches this line over here, the whole program will stop, which means that the game will end. There we go, perfect. And now what we'll do is let it touch the red line, and there we go, the program stopped. Well, that's it for today's video. Here you can learn how to make a ping pong game. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video. I hope it helped you. And for more tips like this, go to my channel, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.